What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles, and here's another common question that you hear all the time. When is it a good time to replace my sprocket and chain? Or do I have to replace my sprocket when I replace my chain? And I know what's happening. You guys are broke. You spent all your money on your bike, and then you spent all your friends' money on your gear, and maintenance is the least thing. All you want to do is ride and go have fun and be stupid. Here's a picture of a good sprocket. Notice what a good sprocket looks like. Now here's a picture of a bad sprocket. When the little gears start getting more narrow and when they start to bend the other way, you absolutely should replace it. Sprockets can last a pretty long time, but you need to look at the sprocket, see if it's worn. If it's worn, you got to replace it. It's not very expensive, and this could be a good opportunity for you to change your gears a little bit, maybe get a little more power in the lower end. Now when it comes to chain maintenance, you're actually supposed to be cleaning and lubricating your chain like every 300 miles. I know no one does it, but it is good to do it. Your chain will last longer if you do so. And if your chains look starting to bind up, it will be a little smoother ride. And chains can break. An older chain can break if there's corrosion on it and it starts getting bind up after a while. It can break, and that can cause serious issues. I've had a friend that his chain broke off. It flew up, cracked his crankcase. He had to replace the motor. That's an extremely expensive fix. I had a situation one time, the exact same situation I was talking about. I spent all my money on the bike, spent no money on maintenance, and my chain actually slipped off the main rear sprocket, broke half of the teeth off the sprocket, and luckily, when it happened, I thought I broke my transmission. All I had to do was replace the sprocket and chain. It was not a big deal. But depending on where you're at, I think I was trying to ride a wheelie at the time, that could be a pretty scary situation. So I hope that answers the question. Leave more questions below. I'll try to answer them. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe.